Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to repeat the last action and try to make this amazing process without wasting a lot of time doing it manually. Then we have this cube, Shift D, let's move it over here for example. After confirming using left mouse button, Shift R and repeat the action, and you can repeat the action as shown here easily without wasting time, and you can also make a good precision for that. Let's try it for example for the rotation process. We have added the monkey to the scene like this. Let's set the rotation to 30 cursor like this. Hit R, then you can rotate it like this. Shift D and hit R to rotate on that axis. Let's try Shift R and you can repeat the last action without doing it many times and save a lot of time. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching.